Time you send a message to an AI agent, something happens behind the scenes that most people never see. It's not magic, it's not random, it's a loop, and once you understand it, the way you use AI changes permanently. Here is how it starts. So you send a request, maybe a question, some instructions, context you want it to use. All of that goes into the LLM, the large language model, the brain of the agent. The model reasons, it reads everything you gave it and asks, do I already have what I need to answer this? Sometimes the answer is yes. If it does, it responds. Clean and simple. The loop never even starts the decision movement. But here is where it gets interesting. Sometimes the model realizes I can't fully answer this from memory alone. Maybe you ask for today's weather or you need it to calculate something. Search a document, check a calendar, create a file. This is the decision movement most people never think about. The model does not just admit defeat, it selects a tool. The loop. This is where the loop kicks in. The model picks up the right tool for the job: a search engine, a calculator, a file system, a calendar API, and takes an action. The tool runs, it produces a result, but here is the key part. The result gets back added to the context. The model now knows more than it did 10 seconds ago, so it reasons again. Can it answer now? If yes, it responds. If not, it picks another tool, takes another action, adds more context, and reason it again. Reason, act, update, repeat. That's the loop. Why it matters? Because this is what separates an agent from a chatbot. A chatbot answers from what it knew at the training time. An agent can get it new information, take action on your behalf, and update its understanding, all inside the same conversation. The loop is also why agents can handle complex tasks. They don't solve everything in one step. They take small actions, learn from each one, and keep going until the job is done. So, next time you use an AI agent, writing code, booking a meeting, researching something, remember what's running underneath. Your request goes in, the model reasons. If it needs help, it acts. The result comes back, it reasons again. So, reason, act, update, repeat. That loop is running every single time. And honestly, the loop is why AI agents keep getting more capable.